In this lesson, we will see together les pronoms toniques, but we will see more precisely eux. So let's see together first what are les pronoms toniques. Stress pronouns in French, also known as disjunctive or emphatic pronouns, are used to emphasize or reinforce a particular element in a sentence. So this is really important. Remember, you will use les pronoms toniques to emphasize or reinforce an element that is in the sentence. And the second thing that is extremely important is that unlike subject pronouns, the stressed pronouns are used in various positions within a sentence for emphasis or clarification. So these pronouns will have this possibility to occupy various positions in the sentence. So this lesson is about eux. And the stress pronoun eux can be translated into various ways in English, such as they or them. So we will see some examples with eux. Eux, ils aiment le football plus que tout. Eux, ils aiment le football plus que tout. C'est eux qui ont gagné le concours. C'est eux qui ont gagné le concours. Eux, ils voyagent souvent en Asie. Eux, ils voyagent souvent en Asie. Entre nous et eux, il y a une grande amitié. Entre nous et eux, il y a une grande amitié.